life as a twin mom. This is my life. Welcome to it.
Today for snack, the boys are having sunflower seed butter and strawberry preserves on a whole wheat wrap. They're having some whole wheat crackers, a couple of slices of watermelon, and some raw carrots. And as a little treat, we're having lemonade. This is something I don't ever really give my kids because technically lemonade is just sugar water. But guys, this company at Leaf and Love has a blend of sweet and sensible. This has 0 sugar. It's only sweetened with a little bit of stevia. It's gluten-free and it's non-GMO. Today for snack, the boys are having an Applegate turkey and cheese. That's mozzarella cheese on whole wheat sprouted bread, red grapes, applesauce, and organic animal crackers. Today for snack, the boys are having cracker sandwiches. These are whole wheat crackers with some spinach dip inside. Caleb is having some carrots and also he wants to try cucumbers today with his hummus along with some apple sticks. And Noah is just having cucumbers. Today the boys are having sunflower seed butter and raspberry preserves on whole wheat slim toast, 3 popcorn chips, some honey flavored Greek yogurt, and a few strawberries. And they're also having an apple juice box. Hi guys, like I said, I have a giveaway for you. Leaf and Love contacted us to do a review of their amazing organic lemonade. I was so excited to finally find a lemonade that was not made with organic cane sugar, but rather a natural sweetener. And Leaf and Love just kind of knocked on my door and I was very excited because this is something that as a mom I had been looking for. The folks at Leaf and Love would also like to send you guys a free package of their organic lemonade so that you guys can try it. All you have to do is check my description box for all of the rules for our giveaway and leave me a comment below letting me know that you'd like to enter. And that's all guys, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Some butter.
Butter. Didn't you used to eat butter when you was a kid?
I did. I had a butter obsession.
Who eats butter?
I
did.
did. I would go.
like
My mom
butter on
would
some
find
bread.
like teeth marks in the butter as a kid. Yeah.
I think she's a little disturbed, guys. So.
I'm disturbed, but not because I ate butter. A combination of things is what makes me a disturbed person. Eggs.
Eggs.
All right, let's do this with no shells.
All right.